Forget all the cats and dogs that are like, howling outside and Andy wants me to sing, and I promised her I would. And this is one of those songs from the days of old. I think it's called the olden times or something. I don't know, but all right, all right. Um, you are. You are. Don't look at me. You, you are my child bride. I am your father groom. I'll give you everything. You just can't leave your